recording. Okay guys, so today we're going to learn how to make Telegram bot. Okay, so first we're going to create a new folder. So I'm just going to do that here on my desktop. New folder. So I'm going to name it the wise bot. Enter. So let's load Visual Studio Code. You can use any other code editor if you want to. So I'm just going to use Visual Studio Code. So let's get on. I think I was working on something else, so I'm just going to close the folder. Okay, so this was Jackpot program I was working on. So I'm gonna do this in my next video. So no problem about that. It's Jackpot. Close folder. So let's enlarge this. Okay, so open a folder. So I'm gonna look for the wise bot. So this is I'm gonna open the folder here in my editor. So first when you open it, you're gonna create a new file which is main.py. I'm gonna name my main.py. This is kind of conventional for the main file which you're gonna host all the script in. And okay, so let's open the terminal and create a virtual environment. Yeah, that's what it's called, virtual environment. So I'm gonna run the command python -m venv and space venv. Okay, so let's see. All right, so I've created that. So I'll just click yes here. I'll open another terminal so I can activate that, and so won't waste time waiting for it to actually activate by itself. So okay, so this is a new terminal. Okay, venv. So this you're gonna hit the forward slash and scripts forward slash again. Can activate .ps1. This for Windows. So if you have another operating system, you're gonna use .bin or something else. So let's go. Okay, still gonna be loaded for you. So, uh, let's give it some time. Good. Uh, just activated. So there's it, and let's go. So now this Python, right? So we're using Python, and the library we're going to be using is PyTelegram. But let me add that to comment. We're using PyTelegram bot API library. Okay. So all Alright, so I'm just gonna run pip install, and this is by clicking on that API. Alright, and then we're gonna run, I'm actually running this differently and separately, so you know that this is how to install. There's another way to kind of install at once, but this is actually a beginner's class, so we're gonna take step by step. So about pip install, that is, pip stands for Python installation package, install environs. Now the environments, we're going to be using it for environment variables, creating .env file and stuff like that. So let's create .env. So here we're going to create a bot token variable, bot token equals to let's see. Okay. For the bot token, I'm going to go to Telegram, my Telegram account. So let's see. Okay. Okay, let's go to bot further. So we've installed our packages, which is the Python bot API and the environs. So now let's import from telebot. Import telebot. Now we're going to use telebot to create an instance. So from environs, import env. Okay, so there's okay, and then now we're gonna create an instance of the env, and there's a kaboom. So env.read env. Let's get here. Env. Okay. So now let's create the bot token. Okay, so we're gonna create an instance for the bot token too. So there's it equals to next env bot token. So basically we're getting this through this instance. We can access everything in that file, in the .env file. So and here comes the instance. Telebyte token equals to token. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna create a decorator for the message handler, but that message handler, and then we're gonna give it commands. No. Oh, this start. And then we're gonna define our function for what we want it to say when we click the start command, and here it takes in the message, and then this this is where we actually write what it's gonna say. This is the block of code where it's gonna say everything that it wants to say, stuff like that. So let's first define the chat ID equals to message dot chat dot ID. Then next is uh, but dot send message. Okay, so it takes in the chat ID as an identifier and the message hello welcome. So now each time you send the start command, it's gonna respond with hello welcome. So let's try and run this. So the next thing we're gonna do is to use the polling method. Print, let's check that it works. Print polling, yeah, and but dot polling. Okay, all right, so this is but dot polling. Okay. All right, let's run it. Okay, let me use python main.py. Okay. All right, it's polling. So let's go back to Telegram and hit the start. Start. All right, boom, and that's about hello, welcome. Okay, so Control C. So let's stop the process and go ahead. So now let's make it to echo every message we actually send to it. So like if you say hi, it replies hi. You say hi doing, it says how you doing, stuff like that. That's called an echo. So it's quite simple. There are other logic for that, but this is actually basic step for doing that. So let me say the message the user sends. Let's use mes for the message equals to message dot text. Okay. Chart ID text is equals to mes. Okay, so let's run this. See, let's open a new terminal. No, I didn't expect that. Let's go. Okay, so let's see now. Oh shit, sorry, I I made a mistake somewhere. Sorry, pardon me. Okay, so I was supposed to change the commands to content types. So it won't be commands anymore. So it will just be content types since we expect any message, any text character, not commands like start help, no slash commands. So content types are for specific content types like how do I put it? Like GIFs, videos, text and stuff like that. So we can actually define the property of the messages you want to receive through that. So okay, here we go again. Polling. Hello. Let's see. Hello. How are you? The wise tech doctor. Exciting, right? So that's it, guys. So use it for this, and next videos coming up for Web3 bot development. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. There are a lot of things actually coming up, like MevBot and buy bots and stuff like that. That we're gonna be building as time goes on. So keep your fingers crossed and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.